Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frames for Maker. So as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So let's go ahead and hop right in. The first level we can notice is our swing high here. So we plot it on our chart. The next level that we can plot is the most recent swing low. And we notice it lines up with the beginning of price action, where we had a resistance level here before price broke through. Now we see price reacting to the same level, except it flipped from resistance to support. So let's go ahead and hop into the weekly time frame. Now, what do we notice? Well, we see a key level right here. So we're actually going to go ahead and draw a zone for this level. Now, what do we see? As price comes up, we see this level acting as support. Before price breaks up and comes down, we see these long wicks reacting to the level as support. We see another reaction, another one, and we see price reacting in the same level. So, as price reaches this level, it is very key. Now, we see multiple support reactions, and we see resistance reactions from the same level. Notice this long wick here, rejecting the key level. What else can we see? Well, we notice another key level right here. Where price came up, reversed down, and as it came back up, it reacted to this level as resistance. Also, notice this long wick here reacting to our monthly level. Now, price came back up, we see another rejection from this level, and we see a third rejection from this level. So, multiple reactions and obvious to spot. Another obvious level that we can spot is our weekly swing high here. So, color coordinate it to the time frame, and we notice the candle bodies closing and the very long wicks sticking out the top here. Now for our most recent price action, what do we see? Well, we notice a key level right here, where price came down and established a support level from this long candle here. As price broke down, we see a reaction before breaking through. And as price came back up, we see a reaction here. This level is acting as resistance, as here it was reacting as support. So, support flipped resistance. As price comes back down and reverses, we see long wicks reacting to the level as resistance once again. So we have multiple reactions, acted as support and resistance, and this level is obvious to spot on the weekly time frame. So we also notice our monthly level here is just a bit off from our candle bodies. So we're going to go ahead and plot in a zone for this level. Here we can see at the beginning of price a reaction to the level before breaking through. Now here we see a reaction from the long wick as support, and we see candle bodies reacting as support, as we see wicks sticking out, an inside bar followed with momentum to the upside. So this is all of our key levels plotted on the monthly and weekly time frames. If you guys enjoyed the video and got some value out of it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.